Today I'm going to show you how to clean a glass stovetop. Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us on Around the Home. If you wouldn't mind taking a moment hitting that subscribe button, or the little ninja on the bottom right, or the Around the Home at the top left, however it is on your device, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, always helps out. Plus, if you're watching us on YouTube, we'll have pop-ups showing as we go, including this one right here, which is a link to our website, which has hundreds of more videos organized really well, and a bunch of other resources there for y'all. Let's get back to what we're talking about, glass stovetops. They're beautiful, but how do you get them cleaned right? Let me show you guys. And I've been waiting for a good mess to show you guys how to clean this thing right. So I'm sure you guys have this at home or seen this, okay? We had a pot boiling over last night, so it's really burnt on there. It's kind of nasty. And so we're gonna get this looking almost like brand new. Okay, now there's a few supplies that you're gonna need, and I'll have Amazon links in the description down below for these items so you can easily get them yourself. Plus, use those Amazon links, it helps us out. Okay, first you're gonna need a good glass stovetop cleaner. This Ceramic Bright stuff works real good. It's almost like a liquid car polish. I'm not saying use liquid car polish because this has a grit in it that's designed specifically for these glass tops. You know, make sure to give it a good shake before we use it. You're going to want a Scotch pad or a sponge with a Scotch pad. I like these little blue 3M Scotch pad sponges. And it's really better to get the actual Scotch brand pads. They're just a better quality. You can get all these things in a kit too. They'll have kits that have your cleaner and your Scotch pad and a razor blade. Okay, a glass scraping razor blade. Now I prefer a little bit nicer. These ones like you find in the painting department, glass scrapers, okay? Blades obviously bigger, it's a little bit tougher. It's just easier to hold on to and handle. Prefer that myself. And I like to have a little bit of all-purpose cleaner to help with the grease and stuff. This is like what I use to initially start it off. So what I got is some Mr. Clean, just all-purpose cleaner concentrate that I've thinned down here for my spray bottle. So let's go over here and actually get it done. Okay, first of all, I like to take the all-purpose cleaner and spray it down. It helps to loosen up the grease and just soften anything that's been baked on there a little bit. You're going to want to let that soak in for a few minutes before you do any actual cleaning work here. Okay, now we're going to take our razor blade and we're going to do some cleaning here. Now, some of you might be freaking out and be like, you're taking a razor blade to that? What about all this painted stuff? Aren't you going to scrape that right off? Okay, now what these glass top stoves are is a high tempered glass with a ceramic coating. Okay, so that's actually a ceramic glaze on there. Not saying that you can't damage it, because you can. So we're not taking SOS pads to it, any kind of steel wool, that's no-no. And we're not gonna do anything stupid like try to dig at the corner of the razor blade in, because you can definitely damage the glass top, okay? But you use the razor blade, you keep it flat and at a proper angle, and it's just like cleaning any other kind of glass. All right, so we're just gonna start, trying not to block the whole view of the camera, and you just wanna scrape that nasty stuff off. Hey look, Molly came to say hi. All right, so we got some stuff there. And we can really get this thing clean. You see there's a good little piece there that's just really been burnt on. All right, so now we got all the thick, nasty stuff off. Now we're just gonna take, whether you take a hand towel or paper towels, don't care, and let's clean off, get all the all-purpose cleaner off, the grease, stuff like that. There's probably gonna be a little bit of burnt on stuff still. So let's get this thing looking real pretty. Like I said, give us a shake first. All right, cool. That's where we take our Scotch pad, and now we're just going to do a bit of polishing here. A little wax on, wax off action. Okay, now we're just going to wash it right off. Not perfect, but not bad at all. Now, if you have any stubborn spots, just repeat. Just start the whole process over on that spot and really work it, okay? I hope this helped you out. Hope this made the whole how to get that glass top really looking like new again real simple. It's easy to do, but it looks so great. It makes you feel good when you get that clean kitchen and you don't have all that stuff burn on everything. Now that we're wrapping things up, if you guys did it before, if you wouldn't mind taking a moment, subscribe to my channel, checking out my website, and there's an additional video for you to check out as well. Thanks again.